Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Facebook logout problem solve. If your Facebook account is not logout, then this video is for you. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click settings. Click apps. Click app management. Find Facebook app. Click Facebook app. Click storage use. Then click clear data. Then click OK. Your Facebook account is now logged out. Now you can log in another account if you want. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.